Hi, my name's Rick Rummel with BLH Nobel here in the Americas, and I'm with my good friend Daryl with the Shape Precision Group in the Micro Measurements Division. Hey Daryl, I've got a one wood here, and looks like it's all wired up with a strain gauge or two. Can you tell me a little bit what's going on here?
Yeah, sure. Let me take a look. Yeah, so Rick, actually what you've got is a one wood or driver that actually has two 3-element rosettes on it. If you look kind of closely down along the club face here, you've got basically right down at the end of the shaft, you've got one 3-element rosette here, and you've got another one on the back side. The power behind using these 3-element rosettes is you can solve for principal strains and direction, and you can orient the gauge any direction that you want to. In this case, it looks to me like somebody was trying to instrument this shaft so that they could measure maybe some torsional loading in the shaft whenever you hit the golf ball, and also you could sense some bending loads as well as you impacted the ball. So yeah, it's kind of unique. It's got a lot of these little thin wire. This is all enamel insulated thin copper wire that goes back to some bondable terminals, and then it transitions into this ribbon cable that typically you'd connect into a data acquisition system, like maybe our 9000 or maybe a 7100 system, just depending on how fast you needed to sample and record.
Okay, so this measures the flex of the shaft, it sounds like.
Yep.
I suppose if you wanted to, you could even measure the club speed with some other devices?
Yeah, you could. You could put some other instrumentation on it if you wanted to. There's a lot of products now in the aftermarket, really I guess in the golf world, where you can measure club head speed, you can measure ball speed and impact, those kind of things, and you can even do it at home. So not so much instrumenting the shaft, but it just kind of measures the ball itself and how quick it comes off the club face.
Nice, very interesting.
Yeah, cool. Glad you drug that out. That's a cool golf show.
Beautiful day to go out golfing.
Let's do it. Let's go.